Sarah Wairimu Cohen had applied for bail, and today the court was set to rule whether to grant her bail or not, and currently the verdict is being read. Let's listen in.
And I quote, "Bail pending trial is a constitutional right, and the only limitation is when there are compelling reasons not to release the accused on bail. The consideration when the court is considering whether or not to release an accused person on bail or bond is primarily whether the accused will attend court at and during the trial. An accused person is required to be present during the hearing of his or her case, and while granting bail, the court should be satisfied that he will be present. That is to say, the accused is not a flight risk, one who will get outside the jurisdiction of the court and therefore fail to honor his bond terms to attend court during trial." End of the quote. On this point, I find and hold that the prosecution has not provided this court with evidence that the accused will flee the jurisdiction of the court, given that her passport is being held by the police. In ensuring that an accused person attends court, when required to do so, it is the duty of the trial court to carefully consider the matter and put in place terms and conditions of bail that will ensure that this goal is achieved. On the issue of fixed and board, it is clear to me that there is no dispute that the residence of the accused, being plot number LR 2951/449, situated on Faras Lane, Nairobi, has been taken over by the police from the DCI. They are guarding the premises and treating it as a scene of crime. It was argued that the accused has not provided an alternative place of abode. It is clear to me that the accused state of being without abode is not self-created. It is through the actions of the police in securing her residence as a crime scene. It has been argued by the prosecution and the siblings that the accused has not provided alternative particulars of where she will live if this court were to release her on bond. It was also argued that she has not provided information on how she will support herself since she was dependent on the deceased. To respond to this, the accused provided information that her parents are supportive of her and that her father lives in Lanet in Nakuru.